as I live and breathe. The other guys are having a rest.
Cold, man, it's cold.
It's freezing. Chappie's been on about it all morning, but we're still gonna give it a crack. Let's get into it. Yoo! Enthusiasm?
Hell
Enthusiasm?
yeah! Let's do it.
Slight detour. We all forgot the noodles. You can't dive without a noodle. Isn't that right, Chappie? All right, back to the house. Round 2. Let's go. So just a bit of a recap for the drive up to Lake Eachem. We've done 3 days of diving now. 3 days?
Yeah.
3 days of diving now. Water temp's about 25 degrees and there's a 5-degree thermocline sitting at roughly 17 meters. Chappie's been getting pretty cold throughout the dive sesh. He's getting about 3 good dives and then getting too cold to keep diving. Aaron Habermann's just rocked up. We're chilling out with him today. And yeah, it's gonna be a cruisy session. See how we go. Yesterday was a sick session. My EQ's back on point. So we might give it a little nudge and push a little deeper. Not quite the same as the other days. No sun, a little bit of drizzle. I don't mind it though, like it's kind of
I don't mind the weather. It's just
calm, relaxing.
It's crap, man.
Bit cold, Chappie.
Turn that shit off, man. I don't want to be on camera. Oh, no, turn it off.
Ready in 3, 2, 1. Success.
Boom.
That was sick. Thanks, boys. Great dive session. Super relaxed. Equalization is on point. How'd you go, Chappie?
Not cold for the first time.
Chappie wasn't cold thanks to Aaron bringing an extra wetsuit for him to layer up. But yeah, overall really good. Still a little bit of tension going to depth, but I think I just put that down to not having dived in a couple of years. Good vibes all around, which makes a massive difference always. So, yeah, the boys! Yoo!